So hello guys, today I'm going to be playing Toca Boca, and today I'm going to be showing you my house. I mean a little tour of my house, because my house just reset, and yeah. Let me show you a little tour. So first let's start with the outside, and then now we have the inside. Just kind of cute, and yeah. And this is the elevator look, and yeah. And here is the living room. I don't know what's this part, but it could be the washroom and the dining table. And then we have the kitchen, by the way. And yeah. And then we have this outdoor thing, and it looks pretty good. And yeah, just add that there. Good. And yeah, and now let's show you the second floor. Then I would show you Nora's locker after. And then yeah. Oh, sorry. And here's the bathroom, by the way. Change a bit of a detail thing, and yeah. And here is the washing machine and the dryer and things Then this is the kids' room. It looks pretty similar, but it's a bit different from the first because it has the desk. So let me just add the desk right now, because I completely forgot about the desk, guys. And please don't judge me or maybe copy my style. And guys, please do not copy. In all of my videos, I put some styles, so please do not copy my styles. Please, guys, don't copy my styles, okay? Okay. And then yeah, and this is their clothes and the baby here. A lot of clothes. Then the bags again, and then the stuff. Let me show you Nora's room. It's kind of bright, but yeah, I really like how it looks. And yeah, that is how it looks. And yeah. And by the way, guys, I got this for her pencil pouch. And now let me show you Nora's locker. Okay, where's the school? The locker is like the same place. So remember, Nora's locker is in the third. It's also the same place, but yeah. So guys, I made it a bit different from the look, and I really hope you love it. And yeah, I add some clothes too, because it looks good on Nora. And yeah. That was so annoying. Put that there. That's too noisy. Okay, put over these. Since Nora likes to paint, maybe we could add that. I need to add it like that. Much more closer. Okay, I hope. Try my best, but yeah. So, and yeah. Give me the A. It's for Nora. The A cannot go there. A plus and E. Now let's go back to Nora's room and fix everything. And yeah. Okay, so I'll just show you something first. Wait, Dad. Okay, so now I'll just add that there. And let's add the clouds. So that's all good, and yeah. Hope you liked the video. Bye, guys.